Hello friends, this is Neelam. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are painting a very fun and relaxing class how to paint soft dandelion. It's a very delicate and we will use a paper trick. First we will go over the supplies, first colors. We are using leaf green or any light green you are having, and if you don't have, just use sap green with lemon yellow to make it light. The second color is sap green and the third color is Payne's grey, and we will use white gouache for the highlight. So first we will go over clean coat of water on the Archie's watercolor coat press 100% cotton paper. So for background wash, I am using a flat brush. You can use more brush as well. With round brush size number 8 or 6, you introduce the leaf green color from the top side of the paper and come down, and then we will introduce the second color of sap green and just try to merge with each other, and this is wet on wet technique, and let that happen organically. Let the water do all the work for you. I am just dropping the sap green color on the wet paper, and the last color, when we come towards the bottom, you can introduce the dark pearlin green or any dark undersea green or any dark green you are having, or you can just use Payne's grey with sap green to make it darker. So this will create an illusion and depth in your painting. Make some texture like strokes, like there are some bushes, some greenery on the back. So now the fun part starts. Take a tissue paper, roll it, crumble it, and then just dab on the wet paper. Only do this technique when your paper is wet. If your paper is dried or drying up, it's not gonna lift the color. So how bright white is coming and shining through the green. So there is a little bit green mixed with white. So this is the trick to make a very delicate and soft dandelion. Now I am making some texture stroke around the dandelion, and you can even splatter some color. Splatter the color until you are satisfied and there is enough texture on the background. Now I am taking white gouache, and with the white gouache I make the highlights on my very delicate dandelion. This is dry brush technique. So this is dry on dry. My paper is dry and my paint is dry as well. There is a very little or no water on my brush as well as on the paint. So just make the dry strokes for the dandelion. Start with the outer corner and very little in the center. So just in the dabbing motion for the outer corner, just little dots, so it will like create a illusion of very soft outer edge of the dandelion. Now same as for the second one too, it's the same process. And now I am making a very small and little dandelion which like feel as it's a further away, so make it very soft, delicate and small in size. For the center I am taking my dark green or sap green mixed with Payne's grey and making the centers of my delicate dandelion, and then I will take my liner brush and make a very soft and gentle center lines which is coming from the center towards the outer corner of the flower. For the stems, I am taking my sap green and making very soft and gentle stroke for the stem. So because it's a very delicate, and then I will take my light green or leaf green or sap green mixed with lemon green and make the highlight on the one side of my flower, that is on the right side. You can choose whatever side you want to make the highlights. So, and for the left side I will take my dark green and make the shadow part of the stem on the left hand side. Thank you guys, thank you for watching and staying till the end. These are the final touches we are making on our painting now. So we are done with enough highlights, and now the final thing just left is splatter some dark color for the texture on the paper. So for that, please cover your painting with a tissue paper or any kind of paper, because I don't want to go color on the lighter part of my painting. So just splatter some color for the texture, and when you are happy that is enough texture on your painting, then just stop there and make sure that the splatter don't go on the lighter area. So after that, just remove the tissue and reveal your painting after removing your tape. So here is the final painting. Thanks for watching till now, and I must say thank you for having this class and making this beautiful project with me. Thank you.